Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate each and every one of you, and for those of you who haven't subscribed, my name is Josephine. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today nimewapikia mboga inaitwa mrenda na kunde. Yes, leo nimesikia tu niende sokoni nikapata mrenda fresh na kunde, na hiyo ndio nimekuja nikakaanga. Yeah, as you can see, naongezea maziwa hapa. This is a very healthy African vegetables, especially sisi watu wa Western will like it this way. Yeah, and one thing I normally struggle with when it comes to making YouTube videos, I don't know how to edit long videos, or I don't even know how to follow up. Maybe kwa wale mnajua how to edit YouTube videos, simkuja mnifundishe jamani, yawa nifundisheni, hata mimi nataka kujua. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys. See you on my next video.